Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, we're going to explore how to configure controllers and routes using the Symfony framework. We'll begin by creating a new project named TP2 and then proceed to run it on the server. Make sure to check out the official documentation linked in the description for more details. Let's get started. Let's begin by opening our project in VS Code. Now, let's check if everything works as expected. Great. It looks like our project is running perfectly on the server. Now, let's dive into coding. So this is our exercise, and the first task is to create a new file named IndexController.php under the path src controller. Let's proceed with this step. So let's copy this code and paste it in this file. Now, let's test our code on the server to ensure that it's functioning correctly by refreshing the page. And yeah, it works perfectly. Now let's proceed with configuring the routing. Similar to the previous step, we'll copy this code, paste it again, and remove the YAML code as instructed. Then we'll observe the changes later. Let's refresh the page and observe the changes. As it shows, it's not working anymore after deleting the YAML code. So let's bring it back again by pressing Ctrl+Z. Let's proceed to the next step and create our first view. First, we'll create a file named index.html.twig in the templates directory, and then modify the home function accordingly. Now, let's check the output again. So here we encountered an error regarding the Twig Bundle availability. To resolve this, we'll execute the provided command to install the Twig Bundle. First, stop the server by pressing Ctrl+C, then run the command displayed to install the Twig Bundle. Once the installation is complete, we'll restart the server and check the output again. Now we've encountered another issue related to directory problems. Let's ensure that the template file is in the correct location. We'll double-check the directory structure to ensure that the index.html.twig file is located in the templates directory. If it's not in the correct location, we'll move it accordingly. Let's resolve this issue and proceed with testing the application again. Great. Now that we've resolved the directory issue, let's refresh the page and see the result. Fantastic, it appears to be working now. We've successfully rendered our first view using Twig. Moving on to the final step, let's make some adjustments to our IndexController.php file. This time, we'll focus on passing parameters to the views. Now let's add a parameter to the root, refresh the page, and observe the result. So here we've encountered an error regarding missing root parameters. To resolve this, we need to adjust the root definition to include the required parameters by modifying the routes.yaml file. So now, let's refresh the page and check if the issue is resolved. And yes, it works perfectly now. So that wraps up today's video. I hope you found it beneficial. Feel free to share your opinions in the comments section below, and I'll see you in the next video.